Welcome to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to go in great detail and talk about a very particular project. It's actually called Hype Bots Society. Now the hype is very interesting. I'm going to put the link of this project in the description below of my channel, the Educational Network. You can head over there and check it out. In this video, I'm going to go in great detail and talk about the different utility that this project tends to have, and obviously why you should consider and put it on your list of projects worthy of investing in the future. Now this is a very interesting project, and there's a lot of elements that you need to understand before you actually invest in any project. And there's so many NFTs in the industry, you really need to find out what NFT has the proper utility that can actually give you a return on your investment. So if you're interested in these kind of videos, you can always subscribe to my channel, the Educational Network, where I'm continuously uploading different reviews and different NFTs every single day to ensure that there is something out there that can actually help you become financially independent. Now, hypebotsociety.com is the website. I'm going to go in great detail, talk about the about, the roadmap, the team, and the FAQs. They have Twitter, Instagram, and they're available on OpenSea as well. And if you've not joined them on Discord, please join their Discord, because the Discord is the only place where you can get up-to-date and reliable information besides my videos. And do follow them on Twitter as well and be part of the hype. The Hype Boss Society is the start of the Hype Society metaverse. It's a collection of programmatically generated NFTs. You can buy them right now. They're worth 0.019 Ethereum. Now, the origin is very interesting. The Hypebot is a collection of programmatically generated NFTs with rich and diverse traits. All the digital NFTs are unique, meaning there's no two NFTs that are identical, and each one can be owned under the Ethereum blockchain. Now, each Hypebot trait features different items that we are obsessed about at some time, from different clothing, trends, expression, memes, anything and everything. And that is what makes it so unique, because every single element that's available on the internet, every element that has been combined and we've talked about has become part of social or political culture is available on this particular Hypebot Society. So the roadmap is something that I literally love about them, because they have done a wonderful job from the idealization with the start of the roadmap creation for the Hype Metaverse. The maker initialized the Hypebot Society with the development and the creation of the Hypebots, the NFTs that will be deployed to the metaverse under the Ethereum blockchain. The first phase of the minting through the OpenSea market, first event that they give Origin members the chance to unlock new Hypebots, and the community events that reward exclusive Hypebot holders. Then you go to the phase 2, and obviously in phase 2, once it hits a 60% of Hypebot engagement, the first phase, they'll proceed to the next phase. The second phase, you'll see the development and the deployment, the community events, the phase 3 initialization. With the phase 3 initialization, you'll see the development with the creation of the Hype Peers NFTs that will be deployed on the metaverse under the Ethereum blockchain, and the minting through all the prospects NFT markets. Now, this is something which is interesting, and I like the fact that they understood the levels that need to be completed, and obviously they're showing it every single time what they have achieved and what they plan to achieve. Now, the makers of these NFTs is really interesting. The team itself is really brilliant, because these are individuals that have done an amazing job, and from these individuals you can check them out, you can Google them, you can find them on LinkedIn, you can find them on different platforms on the internet, and these are individuals that have been associated with massive names in the industry. Now, one of the major things that you have to keep in mind when you're thinking about investing in any NFT is actually looking at the team behind the project. And obviously, when a team behind the project has experience of implementing, executing effective strategy, and in order to be a part of the upcoming 2022 NFTs, you need to understand that there's a lot of competition out in the market, and there's so many NFTs that have come out this year that you really need to filter out the NFTs that have potential to make it really big. Now, obviously, no project is perfect. There's obviously some issues that you will tend to face, but you have to get those issues out of the way. And I feel that projects that understand the development as continuous and they implement this strategy and execute it successfully, there are the projects that actually become successful in the future. Now, looking at the FAQs, I personally feel that they have clearly identified the way they want to develop this project, and they're saying that aside from owning a Hypebot and having the usual access to member-only benefits, you'll get to participate in helping and involving the Hype Society metaverse, and obviously which is visible in their roadmap. One of the cool things that they're doing is they're combining the Hypebots and your Hype Pets, which obviously is one of the NFTs that will be coming in the future. And what's a society without our buddies? So 500 Hypebots are withheld and are not yet for sale, and these Hypebots will be used in events, rewards, or giveaways. of ways. Now, what is the cost of each Hypebot? Being a member of the society, the cost is the same for everyone. Each Hypebot only costs 0.19 Ethereum, even the special ones. And all the Hypebots are awesome, but some are much cooler than the others, special than the others. So the Hypebots are more than just a PFP project. They're building the Hype society and ecosystem that's made on a community that promotes growth, a reward system, a collaboration with brands, and moreover gamification. And that is one of the reasons that they have developed themselves, aligned themselves with one of the major NFTs in the industry. They're visible, they're available on the NFT calendar as well. They're available on NFT24 Studio, so you can check them out from there. Now, going over to OpenSea and showing you their OpenSea, I personally feel on OpenSea, it being available on OpenSea is very important. They have 4,000 items right now because it's not being minted at this point in time. Now, all of them are available. You can easily find them. You can easily get them. And obviously, you need to keep this in mind before you actually start buying any NFTs, because you want to see where they're available. So you can check this out. They're available on OpenSea, and you can put this on your list of NFTs in the future that you think are going to make it really big. I personally feel that this does have the potential, but there's a lot of areas that it needs to be worked on. The first thing that I feel that it needs to work on is the utility, because they need to make the utility more available for individuals to understand that what is the utility really going to be, because besides the NFTs, how are they going to make this NFT one of a kind, which is very important. The second thing I feel, besides the roadmap, which is quite good, that they need to display different places that they're advertising, different areas that they're working on, and obviously combining all those elements together, only then can they really take things to the next level. And I feel that is crucial for any project to display the importance that they need to have to ensure that they're able to create a place from where the NFTs can be really launched and where people can understand the proper utility and use of it. And having a combination of these elements together, that is the only time that you can make a project successful. So guys, if you have any questions whatsoever, do let me know in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to help you, guide you, support you, and assist you. I have made a WhatsApp group that's available in the description below, also on the About Us section on my channel. You can always head over there and join my WhatsApp group, which I'll continuously update with different NFTs and upcoming NFTs, and obviously talk about the different methodologies that you need to implement in order to find out which NFT really can change your financial situations. But remember guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so please make sure to do your own due diligence before investing and do not invest more than you're willing to lose. With that said, stay tuned for my next video. Until then, take care.